Hey everyone, welcome to my home, well, part of it, and welcome to my channel, A Ginger Can. My name is Brian, and you're probably wondering what we're doing right now, and for good reason. We're back in the master bathroom, the same toilet I put the bidet in, because you've got to hear this. Hold on. Okay, it's done. So it's safe to say that the valve is shot, and I'm gonna take it out and look at it and see if I can't fix it. But in the meantime, assistant, come around, goofball. I'm going to install a replacement valve. Real easy. You don't need to hire a plumber. This doesn't cost $100. This is a $10 part. It takes about 10 minutes to do this. First step, first things first, turn the water off. Okay, water's off. We're going to empty the tank. It's the little things. Okay, even though you flushed and the tank's empty, the valve sits lower than the flush drain. There's going to be some water that leaks out. You're going to want a bucket and a towel because water's going to drip. Let me go get those real fast. So you will need an adjustable wrench, and that's just to get the supply line off. After that, it's completely toolless. Once you get the plastic nut loosened, you're going to want to get the bucket ready because there's going to be a lot of water, more than the towel can handle. And here it comes. And now the tank is empty. Old parts out. Yeah, you think there's a leak? New parts in. This one's adjustable for the float. So you set it at your tank height and you're good to go. Real easy to lock in. You drop the new one in. You take out the nut, which looks like this. And you install it. Now resist the urge to really crank down on this. You don't need to crank down on this. Finger tight will do. It's not wiggling around, it's okay. Make sure you have enough room around so you can adjust it while it's in the tank. You need the fill hose, and this attaches to the fill tube, but mine's still in there. Easier not to take it out. So I'll just attach the hose from the valve to the fill tube. So now I'm going to attach the fill line from the valve to the fill tube, and it's being stubborn. It goes on this little bracket and it's being real stubborn, so a little bit of soap will make this a lot easier. It doesn't need to bottom out, it just needs to get on there. And that's all I need out of this. There's nothing else in the box except for instructions. Now we attach the fill line from the wall to the valve, and we turn the water on and test for leaks. And just like the plastic nut, finger tight is okay. You don't want to over tighten these, it's just plastic. You can strip the threads, you can damage the valve. There's a lot that can go wrong if you just start cranking down on this stuff. Finger tight. No leaks, I'm not getting sprayed with water. Now all I need to do is verify the height that the valve is at is correct for the level of fill that I need for this tank, and we're done. It's that simple. Okay, in this case it was a little too high, so while it was filling, I adjusted it down and it shut off. Once your site supervisor inspects your job, it's done. So thanks for inspecting for me. Thank you all for watching. I apologize for not doing a video the last couple of weeks. We went on a family vacation and then we brought home a head cold and it was nearly impossible to get anything done. We missed the first full week of school for my oldest, and it was a bad time for everyone. So thank you for sticking with me. I got another couple of videos lined up. I am going to drop the microwave and we're going to do a cleaning video. I got some really neat piece of cleaning equipment to check out. So this has been Ginger Can. My name is Brian, and today we quickly and easily replaced a weird valve that was not working right. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe. I do a bunch of how-to videos, trying to make things easy for people that stay at home. You don't need to hire a professional in most cases. I do a lot of cooking. I've got the boys, canning, stuff like that. So subscribe if you're interested in that. If you got home projects, comment down below. Give me that thumbs up, give me that like. The boys will appreciate it. Give a thumbs up. And that's all I got for you this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.